What's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna give you an update about Alpha Whitelist group, and this is not a clickbait. You will be getting free mint whitelist spots, you'll be getting free whitelist spots, you'll be getting free alpha and monthly income. So here's just an example of what kind of whitelist spots the group is getting, and you'll have a chance to win one of the spots. So here's one, it's called Munters, and as you can see they have 25,000 followers. So this free mint can do potentially well, either to keep it or just to flip it. And then if we look at another one, Lonely Beast, also another free mint. Then there's one more, Ugly Ducks, and this one they actually have around 35,000 followers. So this one should have a potential on secondary market, and with this one you're going to be able to get 2 free NFT with 1 whitelist spot. And then there's another one, it's Saudi's Camel, same thing, free mint, and they have already over 8,000 followers on Twitter. And then just another whitelist spot, Thin Cotton, this is just another NFT company within real life utilities. And then there is another one, Kikiverse. This is actually decently hyped, it's going to be minting on July 21st, and few known NFT influencer been collabing with this project. And then there's another one, it's called The Friend Giants, and this one is actually a pretty high project. It has 80,000 followers. So for all of the whitelist spots that I just showed you, if you join this group you'll have opportunity to win one of those whitelist spots. And then when I said alpha, if we go to their Discord, and then if we go to alpha calls, as you can see right here, they're constantly updating and adding new alpha calls, and then possible scams as well. If for example servers are compromised, or there are any kind of problems or issues or any hacks happening in a space, they will post in here. And then free mint projects, they also going to be posting what's minting for free and other free project in a space, and they're constantly adding more channels to provide more value. And the last thing, when I state that there is going to be monthly income, this is one of their recent announcement. How can we pay to our community members? So number one, they're not going to be selling passes, so it's still going to be free alpha group. And then if we scroll down, they're targeting minimum monthly target income for each member is 0.1 Ethereum. So 10% of Ethereum you're going to be able to earn monthly. Then hint number 3, members who will fail to play our game will get instant ban. So I'm assuming you'll have to help out team, whatever they're trying to do, or maybe help to promote other projects. Then hint number 4, each month your income will raise if you understand our game and play with us. So I'm not sure exactly what they mean by this and exactly what kind of game you have to play, but we will find out later. And then hint number 5, our alpha role members will earn 3x more, so 3 times more. And to get an alpha role in their Discord, it's actually not that hard. You just have to be active, help other people, participate in their giveaway, and actually that's what we are there for. And if you're trying to enter a raffle, they're also asking you to join Discord or maybe follow that specific project on Twitter. And then last hint number 6, we know all that other alpha group are going to duplicate from us, but we are the ones who started and we already got future plans for it. So at this time I haven't seen any alpha group that are actually doing this and will be providing monthly income to their members. So this is one of the first alpha group that doing something like this, and this is free alpha group providing free mint whitelist spot, free whitelist spot, free alpha and monthly income. And if you would like to join this group, I'm gonna leave link to their Discord in the description below. And once again, everything that I stated in this video, this is just my personal opinion, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video for educational and entertainment purpose only. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.